Hey lovelies, Vlogmas 24, and at this point is day 22. Yay, we are almost there. So guys, compliment of the season, welcome back to another video. So there's nothing you want to tell me that you don't have puff mix in your house at this point, because it's almost Christmas and this always come in handy. So in my bowl I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I've added my 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and pinch of salt. And yeah, I just went ahead to add my half cup of sugar. You can do less, you can do more for the sugar, just do you, okay? So this recipe is actually special because it's coconut flavored, okay? It's coconut puff mix. So if you already have a puff mix and you don't have this one, you really need to try it because it's so good. Go ahead and give it a try. I go for Emma in any of my coconut powder recipes because the taste is so unique. It has all the coconut flavors in there. Everything is so creamy, like you can just add that in water and drink up. It's so nice. So if you have other product that you trust, go ahead and use it, but for me it's always Emma. So I'm going to add that. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of that. You can do more, like I said, but these are just standard measurement that I'm giving you in this video. So I'm adding just a 1/4 cup of this. You want to level it, okay? So go ahead and add that, and of course your yeast should come last because you don't want this to air to go into your yeast. So your yeast should always come last, and you should be ready to airtight it once you add your yeast. So yeah, I have this. I always use instant yeast. I don't use active yeast, like yeast that you have to soak in water and sugar for it to activate. No, I don't use it. I always go for instant yeast. It makes life easier. It helps me to create all these mixes that I do mix, okay? So I added 1 tablespoon of that into my 3 cups of flour, and that is very perfect. Go ahead and give this a good mix. You can add it into an airtight container and shake, but because of the video purpose, I'm just going to whisk and yeah, show you guys that is well mixed, okay? So go ahead and mix this up and put in the airtight container. So once it's time to make this, each 2 cups, okay, let me say that 2 cups measurement of this mixture, we need 1.5 cup of warm water, okay? I hope I made myself clear. 2 cups of this mixture, we need 1.5 cup of lukewarm water. Lukewarm, emphasis on lukewarm. So that's what it will need for it to, like, for the consistency to be perfect. So go ahead and do that and enjoy your yummy coconut puff. I hope this video helped. If you haven't done this, please go ahead and do it. You still have 3 days left till Christmas, so your family and you can enjoy delicious snacks at the comfort of your home. And trust me, your guests will love this. Have a blessed day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.